Discover the breathtaking geography of Nepal. Imagine standing in the shadow of giants. Nepal, home to awe-inspiring Himalayan peaks, boasts Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth. Its snowy summits touch the heavens, calling adventurers and dreamers alike. This magical land invites you to explore its unmatched beauty and uncover its secrets. In Nepal, contrasts come alive. The north flaunts towering, snow-clad mountains that pierce the sky, while the south unveils fertile plains and lush subtropical forests. Between these extremes lie serene valleys, each a jewel of natural wonder, creating a stunning kaleidoscope of ecosystems. Nepal's geography is more than mere beauty. It's life in vibrant diversity. High-altitude terrains shelter rare wildlife, while the lowlands buzz with vibrant cultures. From rugged trails to quiet sanctuaries, Nepal offers endless treasures for explorers. Each step here feels like a step closer to nature's heart. Are you ready to answer the call of the Himalayas? Dive into Nepal's breathtaking contrasts and witness a landscape like no other. Pack your bags, open your heart, and let the journey of a lifetime begin. Nepal is waiting to inspire your next great adventure. Don't let it wait too long.